you're probably damaging your windows without even knowing it.
And the main reason is that Florida's water is extremely hard. So whenever they just spray it with a water hose or just wipe it down with a wet rag, the TDS in Florida is upwards of 200. So you're gonna leave hard water marks and spots and streaks that could even permanently damage your window. What we use is a purified water system so that it uses 0 parts a million water, so that when Alex scrubs the frame, track, and sill and rinses it, everything comes out streak and spot free. You're not gonna damage your windows in the long run.
Want to learn more? Go to bio to get a quote.